Hey everyone! Forget everything else for a moment and focus up. Because what you're about to see will leave you speechless. We've handpicked some of the most unbelievable real moments ever caught on camera from around the world. Trust us, you won't want to blink. Let's dive right in.
He's so scared.
Trucks are banned from this railroad crossing due to the steep slope on the other side, which often traps them. Despite warnings and heavy fines, some drivers still take the risk. Good thing the train slowed down, otherwise debris would have gone flying.
Months ago, whether or not, something. Oh my God! What the? What the?
It's incredibly lucky that everyone walked away unharmed. Watch this again. That car missed by inches. Absolute miracle. The ice-breaking train showcases incredible technology overcoming nature's challenges. Don't worry, no one was on board when the Josie J went down. Always lock your car at the zoo unless you want a monkey checking your wallet. Good thing quick reactions and moving the right way saved them. Always obey traffic laws, especially at railway crossings, to avoid serious risks. It was truly lucky that the shopkeeper reacted in time to avoid an accident. I breathed a sigh of relief when I saw that car finally stop. The driver is regretting his decision to confront a rhino. Unbelievable stamina from a creature weighing as much as 3 tons.
Назад дай! Да он не упадет уже. Поехали, не жалко таких.
A dump truck got tangled in overhead power lines and burst into flames. Luckily, the driver jumped out just in time. When this beast takes off, the earth literally trembles. Buckle up. precision, the roar, the thrill. Blue Angels never disappoint.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
No, you can enter. It's a safe.
Oh my god! Oh!
Always look carefully before crossing. Don't let hurry cause accidents.
Oh!
Some say luck is just perfect timing, and this moment proves it better than words ever could.
Hold it up!
There are moments that make us believe in miracles. This is definitely one of them. So close. Subscribe if your heart skips a beat too. Keep a safe distance around crocodile zones. Only trained professionals are allowed to get close. Uninvited guests visiting the house make the homeowner really confused. That doc definitely wasn't expecting such an enthusiastic hug.
Oh my god.
When you aim straight at the target and go a little overboard. Maybe this is how you properly bring a boat ashore. A strong impact at San Jose Airport left hearts racing, but miraculously, no one was hurt. Not a malfunction. The blade just took a surprise vacation. He has no idea he's gambling with the compression force of technology. Good thing nothing serious happened yet. Manhole just exploded like a bomb in the middle of the street. Thank goodness no one was nearby.
しの船も堤防を越えるかもしれない。
On March 11th, 2011, Miyako City in Japan's Iwate Prefecture was engulfed by a massive tsunami in just minutes. Thankfully, residents were evacuated in time. It's like the sea stood up and shouted, "Get out of my way!" Have you ever seen anything this insane in real life? 4 of them at once. The storm didn't just visit, it completely evicted the backyard.
That is crazy. You cannot even see the light in front of us. You can't even see the car.
Yeah, I don't even know.
In these conditions, it's safest to pull over and turn on your hazards.
Goes. Here goes. Clearing out.
A powerful quake shook the sea. No wonder the sea lions freaked out. The power of nature can defeat even reinforced concrete. This scene hits hard. Everything swept away in seconds. This fish would totally win at hide and seek. Most dangerous job on the planet. What would you do if this showed up at your door? An icy phenomenon resembling a tsunami was recorded on the Showa River during a minus 30 degrees Celsius cold snap, a powerful reminder of nature's untamed beauty. Severe flooding in Rwanda resulted in widespread destruction, damaging infrastructure, homes, and displacing thousands of residents. It's like stepping into a fairy tale in real life. This is heaven, right? Because nothing on Earth looks this magical.
Come through here!
Strange sight in Moana. The entire boardwalk turned into a sea of foam. Turn your daily grind into a chain reaction of fun. Nature doesn't send a warning. That hole swallowed the car like it was nothing. Imagine sunbathing peacefully, and suddenly a 550-ton hovercraft says hello. Just when they thought their day couldn't get any worse, a tree fell on their car.
Oh! Holy!
Unlike the previous car, the FedEx truck took the full hit when the tree fell. It's a blessing that the children escaped unharmed. The car was badly damaged, but the important thing is that the driver was safe. Fortunately, the area had been evacuated in advance, so no casualties were reported at the time of the collapse. Trees came down like dominoes, but thanks to early warnings, no one was in harm's way. This footage is intense, but I hope the person behind the camera was somewhere safe. Massive hailstones came crashing down across Arkansas, turning the sky into a storm of ice.
And that's all for today's unbelievable moments. We hope you enjoyed every heart-stopping and jaw-dropping second of these amazing clips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. See you in the next video. It's going to be even more incredible.